Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add shortcut in Google Chrome. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. Let's say, for example, you want to add one of the websites that you want in your home screen as a shortcut, of course. Although you can download most of the apps that you want to add it to your home screen as an app from your App Store or Google Play. But let's assume for a second that you don't have access to those apps. Let's say, for example, I want to go ahead to Amazon, right? So I'm gonna just type right here Amazon, the company, of course. And basically, I'm gonna just enter their site, right? And basically, what I'm gonna do in order to add this website to my home screen, I'm gonna just click right here the upload button at the top right, if you're using Google Chrome, of course. So it's gonna open up a new window for you. Just scroll a little bit down and you're gonna see an option add to home screen, right? So I'm gonna just click right here add to home screen, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just add Amazon, right? And after you add it, just go right here, or after you type it, sorry, you can just add it by clicking add at the top right. Basically, you saved it right here. So whenever you are trying to go ahead to your Amazon, it's gonna open up your main browser and you're gonna be able to, go into the Amazon directly. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.